Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to switch audio from hearing aids to your iPhone speaker. Let's get started. Open the phone app and make or receive a call. Once the call screen appears, tap on the audio or speaker button. You'll see a list of audio options. Simply select iPhone speaker. Now your call sound will play through your phone instead of your hearing aids. Second method, while playing music or videos. Play any music or video on your iPhone. Now swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Find the media player box and tap on it. Next, tap and hold the audio output option. A list of devices will appear. Select iPhone speaker. Your sound will instantly switch from hearing aids to your phone speaker. Our third method, set speaker as default for calls. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Now tap on Touch, then scroll down and select Call Audio Routing. Here, choose Speaker. That's it. Now all your future calls will automatically use the iPhone speaker. And that's how you can easily switch from hearing aids to your iPhone speaker. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.